Okay. 26th of March 2024. Let's see how the market will open. So far, overnight action, we pushed from here up there, we sold, and what was that? 12 o'clock London time. Back into this very close to the order block. That's the order block, pretty much. It's actually here, and we started to buy. This is how we're looking on Bookmap. So there was a lot of liquidity up here at 620. We tapped into this liquidity, and then we sold to 550. Market is going to open in 2 minutes. We are trading MNQ June 24. I did take some trades pre-market. So our goal for today is to pass this account. This is Apex account. We'll try to pass it. We need how much we need? $750. Market is open.
Market on open imbalance 72 million to the buy side.
Okay, so we tapped into this order block. Well, let's see. Let's just give it a bit of time to market to stabilize. Let's see what they're gonna do. Let's see. Let's look at the liquidity. Right. What do we have? We have this sell side liquidity down here. We have we have a buy side liquidity up here. Sell side liquidity down here. Well, actually, let's just do it here. That's the sell side. That is upside. That's a long buy side liquidity up here. Blue lines. That's buy side liquidity up here. There we go. We also took that bid here. right now. The market is chopping basically up and down, up and down. Tick chart open at 1000. It's up here. That's really high. So sweep liquidity from the range from both sides. Long and short. So we had this range. Okay. Okay. I just decided to go higher. There's liquidity up here. Overnight liquidity, like a minor liquidity. Oh, yeah. Let's see if we're gonna get in there. Tick chart dropping. Interesting behavior. This is overnight high. Up here. So
Order submitted.
let's see if we can catch something here. $36. Maybe even here. We'll see. It is a bullish day because overnight we basically climbed up here. 516, 616. Okay. Just switch to 5 minutes here. do we see here in 5 minutes? $72. How about here? We'll try to catch this.
Order
There we
filled.
go. Tapped in. Let's see if we can get a bounce of that level. 38, but we'll have to be very quick because now it might just range here for another 22 minutes. We're gonna add, if we go lower, we'll add
Order filled.
add here. Let's see. Okay, well, it doesn't look too good on the bullish side, but I'm expecting chop, so we can get a push back to 85, maybe higher if we hold a little bit longer. Okay. Should be a bullish day, so at least this bullish open. I will try to close, and I'm going to be closing everything. I'm not going to be holding runners at the moment because it's just too early for that. Chop. Chop, chop, chop. Okay, let's see, they're going to chop me now. It's a bit weak. But let's see if we're going to get a nice push now. We'll have to push right now. Ooh. It's not doing it. Come on, come on, come on. Push, push, push into the view up on Bookmap. Almost. Oh, okay. I should have closed. Almost closed that position. Unfortunately, waited too long. Alright, it looks like we're gonna tank a little bit lower, which I'm not very happy. Okay, we took the low on the 5 minute. Buyers should step in. Short sellers from the top, they should step in. But it looks to me like we're gonna fall. It looks to me like we're gonna fall. Yeah. Alright. We are getting a little bit of buying pressure. Let's see. It's weak. Weak, yeah. How about now? Push from the bottom. Yep. Back to the highs. Come on. Back to the highs. Squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze the shorts. Alright. Okay. And now accelerate to the ups to the top. Beautiful. All right.
Order
I'm gonna take
filled.
some. Very choppy market. We might continue now, but it's okay. So 350 on a day. We need the 550. So we're chopping. So the usual market chops around between, in the period A, this period A, from on TPO chart, this first half an hour, and we have created top of this range, and there is a bottom of that range. But we did take overnight low. It's not a really overnight low because we have been much lower. Here's the overnight low, but like a minor low. Here it is, the overnight low. Basically, we're just chopping around in this region till 50, 55, and at 50 we should start to see delivery of the move. So we'll have buy side liquidity up here. We could get a push up there. So what I'm trying to do now, I want to buy one more time. Somewhere.
Order submitted.
Let's quickly have a look what ES is doing anyway. ES is here as well. So we did tap into this almost into that high from yesterday. Russell pushed higher. Okay. $86. That's a poor low actually on ES. Happy
At
about
10
it.
a.m. Eastern Time, we get USCB consumer confidence forecast 107 on
Order
the prior
canceled.
106.7, with a range of 112.5 to 105. And the Richmond Fed Composite Index forecast -5 on the prior -5.
So ES took that high. Obviously.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro.
We did
Now
close
only
the gap from
$99 a
yesterday
year
finally.
for our real-time
There was a
service.
gap, so we did close the gap. It was basically half a point or just a quarter of a point. Okay, 51 time, 51. So that's according to ICT the delivery time from 52 till 10 past. Let's watch Nasdaq because we're trading Nasdaq. Still like the fact that we are trading on the view up. We're trading on the view up here as well. I don't like the fact that we left a pull low. So it's just a quarter of a point really. 53. Just gonna actually move. Actually, that's all right. Right. Dropping a little bit. Continue lower or what? Oh, it's just a chop. Trying to catch that. Push. 54. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna
Order
try
filled.
5. Just
At 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we get USCB consumer confidence forecast 107 on the
continue.
prior 106 spot 7, with a range of 112 spot 5 to 105. And the Richmond Fed Composite
Order
Index
filled.
forecast -5 on the prior -5.
55. 5 more minutes. Get to the top. Get to the top in 5 minutes. Somewhere here. And then push. And sell into these highs. On the full hour. That's London time, by the way, if somebody's thinking, what the time is it? You know, it's a London time. It's 9:55 New York time. All right, tick chart is bouncing off that 0, which is good. He has already bounced off that as well. Still under VWAP. But it's RTH. This is electronic. All right, I can hear some drums. That's aggressive buyers coming in. That's what we want to see. This is getting a little bit empty, so there's no reason to go lower. Momentum is to the upside. How about ES? Is ES going to do that? Big boys are buying. Like that. Big boys are buying here on NQ as well. We just need to push through this. And then we're gonna attack the high. For some reason I have VWAP here on NQ. On Bookmap a little bit different. But it's okay. Alright, so we are sitting quite nicely in this trade. Everything looks bullish. Everything everything is looking quite good for us right now. So now we need to. It's 58. Got 1 minute more. 1.5 minutes more. So what market did, took that low, started to build liquidity by longs and shorts. Shorts were shorting, longs were buying. They did collect here. They tried to push lower, they couldn't. Now we have shorts trapped in this range. They're not trapped yet, but the moment we get up here, they will feel like, well, you know, I was wrong. The shorts will think they are wrong. And they will start to close.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with
Oh, should get a
USCB
push.
consumer confidence.
1 minute still consumer confidence. Oh shit. I don't like that, because what they've done, they are doing it together. I mean, theoretically, we should push anyway, but I'm gonna close one
Order
here,
cancel.
just in case. Hold the other one.
Seeing the Richmond Fed Composite Index coming out, minus 11,
21
minus
minutes,
11.
21
That's lower than
seconds, 18
forecast, minus
seconds, we're gonna
5.
find out soon. But they're probably gonna go up anyway. Doesn't matter what the confidence is gonna be.
10 seconds.
They're just gonna push anyway. Yeah,
Still waiting.
because the liquidity is above us, and they need to take these stops. Come on. Let's go. Boom. Shorts are in panic.
104.7, 104.7, lower than forecast, 107.
Shorts are in panic. And we are holding, looking at the book map, looking at ES. ES hasn't done the push into the range yet. Nasdaq is pushing nicely here. ES has still got some space. So I think we're gonna go up here. Beautiful. Shorts are panicking.
So waiting for the USCB consumer confidence. We did see the ECB that
And this is how
settled
they are-
317
this is how
billion
they are
euros in
able to
corporate bond
enter
purchases,
resistance
settled 2.343 trillion euros in
creating
public sector bond
liquidity up here.
purchases. And ECB bond holdings
And,
under PEPP
opposite-
are 1.67 trillion
opposite
euros as of
liquidity.
last week.
So trap shorts now panicking and closing. And this
The
is how
ECB
we're
says
going.
lending to banks fell 371 million euros to
I'm
400
tempted
billion
to close
euros.
this somewhere, but I want to hold, to be honest. Just to see, because that could actually travel to the top. Yeah. And we should be actually adding into that. Okay, got bag, that's expected. And that is important now. What are we gonna do right now? Are we gonna have buyers stepping in? Yes, we do. Beautiful. We do have liquidity up here and waiting 620. That's pretty much here. This is why I like to use Bookmap, because I can actually see live liquidity, So not only ICT levels, but it's just a holding game right now. It's just a holding game. Which is a very difficult game for me sometimes. Especially nowadays when these markets are so choppy.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
Good. Market can get up here. They're not gonna just continue. They will get somewhere here and reverse. So we have to take the profit before they, because we'll have another opportunity to buy it cheaper. One more time. We might even reverse here. No, they still have liquidity. I'm just looking at the book map. Hold. Just hold. Let me quickly have a look on ES. ES hasn't taken yet the liquidity. So let's wait till they take it, and then we're going to close Nasdaq as well. There you go. Come on, do it. Oh, god damn it. It's always this problem. Well, we have 4 more minutes on this candle. What I'm going to do, I can actually add into it if we get lower. Just basically add on the pullback. All right, just
Order
add
filled.
one more here. Getting weaker. That's the place to add.
Order filled.
We're going to risk our profit to make sure we can make money. Oi, oi, oi. This has to bounce here. And squeeze now. Beautiful. To the top and above. We have liquidity. Oh, okay, ES already took that. Top. Let's see what Nasdaq's going to do. Let's go. 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 Come on. Mm. Oh. I don't like what ES did. Took the liquidity and dropping. Don't like that.
Order filled.
Right. 780, 748 on the day. And yeah, we got out. We got spooked a little bit. The reason why I got out is this. ES took the liquidity and immediately dropped. So you don't want to be in it. You don't want to be in this when ES is doing that. This is still bullish, man. We might just, you never know. We might just drop somewhere here. You got to listen what Bookmap is doing and showing. The liquidity from here is gone. So, just gonna stop this for a second. Yeah. All right. Looks a little bit. No, I should actually move this to the left. Yes. Right, okay. Tick chart. So we go. Tapped in. And we're dropping. Ooh. Look at that. Okay. Trying to catch this move to the downside. But I need a little bit higher. Technically speaking, they can go down here to grab that liquidity. Yeah. Grab that liquidity. Probably go even lower. Or that was just a little pullback. And there you go. It's coming back up. Not interested in this selling anymore. At least not yet. Still bullish action. Look at that. Alright, so still bullish. Okay, ES is coming back as well. Quickly have a look. $6,000. 1,000 big boys. So it looks to me like we could now it's just going to be range trading. Just range trading. Chopping around here basically for a while. And again, 2:13 London time. That's 10:13 New York. Chopping around. So that pullback here, okay, they did take that liquidity. So they basically reloaded. We can go high. Weak hands. It's been swept. Okay. Looks like we're gonna go up. All right. ES is pushing as well. It's a fair value gap on ES. Switch to 5 for a second. There was a fair value gap here on Nasdaq. I like that pullback. But I'm gonna wait a little bit longer till we tap into this fair value gap again, or a view up. Just switch to RTH for a second. Got a little bit of liquidity down here waiting at 30 and 32, 35. Sorry, 50. What am I saying? 87, sorry. 85, 87. 85, 82. Well, do they need to rush to the top? No, they have still 15 minutes. They can create another a liquidity pool, another shorts. So we might just chop around here for a while. Few shorts will get interested to short this, and then we can push and take that high. Let's just move this. Yeah, prefer to have this here on this ES on the left and Q on the right. Okay, ES is pushing one more time. So we did take that liquidity before, and we immediately sold. That's a sell side liquidity down here. Same story here. I mean, similar story. It's overnight. Yeah, that's overnight. And that is overnight as well. ES is trying to push. See how they got synchronized? There we go. And keep pushing. They're kind of rushing because it's only 19 past, so again. ES just pushed here. Tapped in into this 5-minute order block. Trap buyers up here. We have trap buyers everywhere.
Taking a look at the Fear and Greed Index, 71 out of 100 equaling greed, and the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, 81 out of 100 equaling extreme greed. And taking a look at the VIX, currently down
Extreme greed.
1.59% at 12.99.
Extreme greed. That's my problem. Extreme greed. Right. Okay, so that looks bullish. That looks bullish. But as I said, we got 10 more minutes. What I would like to see, a drop somewhere here again, maybe even lower, and then take off. And collect. So in 9 more minutes, we're gonna close the period. I don't like what Nasdaq has done. They just pushed and immediately dropped. We are reversing. That looks bearish. That looks bearish. This value, fair value gap has been mitigated already with the push to the downside, but it could still act as a no liquidity above. It's there. Oh yes. It's just choppy. That's what it is. It's a choppy market. 22 past. Okay, we should get a little bit of buying here, but I don't want to buy in such a momentum because this is quite a big candle. This is quite a big candle in 5 minutes. Alright, just bouncing off the view up. RTH view up. Okay, so this is RTH view up. Alright. 23. Okay, that's a good place. They did take this liquidity on this candle. They are attracting sellers, but okay, let's just observe this thing, because what we need is $150 to pass this account, so we can be very, very choosy right now. very picky with the entry. It looks to me like the momentum is to the downside. That's pretty much what ES has done. Tapped into this, trap buyers from Friday, immediately sold. No liquidity above zero. Market has got no reason to go higher, but obviously it's much thicker market. They still have some reasons to go higher. But let's just wait. RTH. We could be just chopping like this and then go up again. Chop, go up. This is a huge reversal. 91, 87, it's 4 points actually, it's not a lot. It looks like a big reversal on this chart. It's just 4 points on, yeah, 5 points. Okay, well that looks really nice for a bull bounce. We are bullish. Still, the selling momentum is gone. 27. I'm talking about time. So 3 more minutes. So let's think, where do we have stop losses to take? Obviously, there's this low. Here we got something as well. Yep. That's one odd possibility. But let's switch to 15 minutes because on 15 minutes they like take 15 minutes ranges as well. So that would be 15 minutes from here. And that would be a second one down here. On Nasdaq. And yes, we have basically here. Not sure if we're gonna even get down there, but so Nasdaq is going down to grounded liquidity. We did take with 15 minutes now. We did take this 15 minutes now. What's this? Well, they decided to continue on. Ooh. What a surprise. Okay. They grabbed everything, the whole range. Yeah. Overslept that bit. There was a trade down here. We're just fiddling too much with the levels. There was this trade down here to basically buy, because shorts will be covering into it. Little bounce. We're going lower. We are going lower. How can you get that? Okay. They did take now 30 minutes. It's 15 minutes, right? Okay,
Order
let's
filled.
try. Let's just try a little bounce. Because I can see that the ES already took a lot of liquidity. Nasdaq took everything. All the liquidity they had. It's a risky trade. It's a risky trade, obviously, because we can continue lower, but at the same time, yeah, have bought it a little bit lower. Yeah, I think we're going to continue lower. Oof. Yeah, accept this.
Order
loss.
filled.
Now we lost a lot on it, $100. Let's just wait.
Order filled.
Try one more time here for a little back action, pullback option, retracement action. Could be good entry. It's 32. Just for a little bounce. Maybe even bigger than low. Because that looks promising. But what I will need to do is
Order
take what I
canceled.
lost. Unfortunately, that's my rule. If I lose a trade, $100, I have to take it back. I have to take it back. That's fine. But we're still thinking that that's possible to go higher. I would like to get in one more time. One more time. ES, look at ES. ES just bounced beautifully. Ooh, 84, 87. Just 3 points. It looks so big on this, honestly. It looks so big on the chart because we have such a small range. Very choppy action. Okay, so we do have. Oh, yeah. I wouldn't be surprised if we build it up here, and then we're gonna push back to the top. That would not surprise me. So look at it, how he has collected everything as well. A whole range. Hmm. 36. We could come back. Pressures to the downside, definitely. There's not much liquidity up here on NQ, 0. ES is thicker, has got something there. Patience. So now in hindsight, this exit was a good exit. This is why it's important to watch both of them, ES and NQ, at the same time, because right, we can switch to 5 now, because we know that the levels were taken. Don't need these levels here anymore. Okay, it's bouncing a little bit. 37. The time, 37. Alright, buyers are stepping in. First push. Yeah, the moment we push into this level here, This is where we have trapped buyers, right? They're gonna be getting out, so I would like to catch a short here. They got out early. And on ears, that doesn't look the same. Well, yeah, we do have, trapped wires somewhere here. All right, still pressure the downside. Okay, that's 40, 41. So 45. Maybe we just stay somewhere here in this range. Or maybe we'll continue to the next level. 508. Which is here. 505. The pressure is to the downside. Let's quickly analyze this. So what we have seen so far. Open, push. We did tap into this high. We tapped into this fair value gap in 5 minutes. We sold. That would not surprise me if we continue on. Yep. Well, how to get in? Yeah, how to get in here? Is this a time? Not yet. We can just risk a little long if we take that low and we come back. I can see that some buyers are stepping in. So right range is very tight, so you have to be quick with your decisions. Because I already lost like 5 points. Yeah, 10 points already. It's too late now. That's the time when we can range. And I would expect that before we even continue lower, they're gonna take that range. Meaning, take all the shorts out from that range by pushing into this area. I would like to get in long then if I see an opportunity one more time.
Order
Go
submitted.
long somewhere. Hoping we're not going to continue lower. This is just trade based on range trading. If they want to continue lower, at some point they will come here and take that high. If they want to continue continue up, at some point they will come and take that low. But I have probably another 2 candlesticks to feel safe to trade the range. I like to do that with a small position. So I'm watching Nasdaq. Let's quickly have a look on ES. There's a lot of liquidity up here. Yeah. You're gonna top me in? Come on. No. Maybe not. So that's 45. An hour and 45. Let's try to catch this as low as possible. Are they gonna continue? This is
Order
looking
cancelled.
bearish. God damn it. If there is a level at 520, 525, they could actually go. I don't see any liquidity above. Let's watch. God damn it. I think I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna catch a trend move to the downside or to the upside, depending where we're gonna go. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we're going up. Hesitated. But it's okay. There will be a better trade. Trend is down. Liquidity is down. 510. Yeah. Here's the inner gap on NQ. This is where we closed. Yes, it's not doing much. $49. Delivery time at 50. 49.50. Delivery time. I can see a little bit of weakness here, but I can still bounce and grab that level up here. And I think I will risk.
Order filled.
Let's see. You can push somewhere here. Just to grab, take all those shorts out. Oops. So basically, if market wants to go lower, they need to take the shorts out first. And they have 9 minutes for that. They like to do that, push. Everybody's shouting right now, oh yeah, we're gonna go down. No, my friend, no, not yet. We're gonna take you out first. Then we're gonna drop. If that's the scenario, because scenario might be they want to go up. And if they want to go up, they're gonna drop first. But I feel bearish about this. That's why I'm long here. There you go. Pretty much. Yeah, just before that higher. I mean, they can go even higher, but do I want to hold? Do I want to be greedy? How do you feel if you were shorting this? You're like, it's still gonna go down. Yeah, it's gonna go down. And they will squeeze you. They should squeeze you if we're gonna go down. $53 in time, 253. Okay, we are getting a good momentum now, so I might extend this a little bit. Stop loss break even. If it drops lower, then drops lower, and we're just gonna close it. But I think should get a push into this top of the range for squeeze. Squeeze. So always this question, should I take this 100? There is liquidity. I'm looking at Bookmap. there's still a little bit of liquidity. We can just try to push and squeeze. All right. There we go. And squeeze. All right, we're not
Order
gonna be
filled.
greedy here. I think. Let me quickly check. We need $20 more to pass this account. What a beautiful exit. Because sometimes it's enough, you know, to grab that. It's not much liquidity up here for them to continue, but so you want to be aware of those things. We might still push, but they have 4 more minutes, so. Okay. Okay. Let's quickly have a look what ES is doing. ES is here. It's actually climbing back. Wow. Interesting. We might not get continuation to the downside by just looking at ES. At least ES is not looking that bearish. But let's just wait. Now is the question, if sellers, once we're gonna take this liquidity, this, once we're gonna take that liquidity up here, question is, right, it's 1 minute 27 seconds away from another period on TPO chart. We did take that high on 15 minute. But I haven't seen a burst of stop losses. I don't want to see that. Basically what I want to see is just push and immediately
The
come
Fed
down.
says interest
and
paid on
start to go
reserves
lower.
nearly tripled to
If we don't do it, we might just
$176.8 billion
collect. And we're looking at the
in the
years as
US to
well.
sell $75 billion in 4-week bills on March 28th to settle on April 2nd.
Yeah, we did have some kind of stop loss around here. But what was that? Just 2 points? That's not enough. 3 points. Let's see. I would like to see a push somewhere here and then drop. But look at that, they're already dropping. ES, poor high. We had this high as well. It's a perfect spot for short if we just continue on. It's a perfect. Yeah. Let's observe bookmap now.
Order
I'm
filled.
short. Let's see. I just need to grab literally $20. Oof. No. We're gonna close up there. Yeah, my entry is really bad because I just basically I have shorted into the high of this candle. That is a bad entry. But I think we might get a continuation to the downside. Come on.
Order filled.
Ugh. $5 more. This is bad. Just switch to one contract, really.
The World Trade Organization say on
Order
China-Australia
filled.
trade dispute, the panel recommended that Australia brings its
One
measures
contract.
into conformity with its obligations under the GATT 1994 and the Anti-Dumping Agreement.
Are we gonna get continuation? Or we will bounce back up?
Order
I
filled.
think we have it. Yes, we do. So result for the day, $900. This account is passed. And that's an Apex account. Most likely we'll just continue lower, but for me, that's the end. I'm done for the day. Thanks for watching. like and subscribe if you want to see. If you want to see me losing money. Take care, guys.